Hey guys, what's up? This is Weedy Guitar Studio.
Hey everybody, what's going on? This is going to be a little bit of a quick video. Hope everyone's doing well out there. It's a little unboxing from Weedy Guitar Studio. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Got my little cutting device here. And so I don't want to dox anybody, I'm going to kind of cover up anything that shows any type of information. So Weedy Guitar Studios contacted me and said he was going to send me a little something. He knows that I have a full pedal board, but he wanted to send me something that, you know, possibly if I don't use it, my daughter could use it for her playing and stuff. Now I kind of know what the pedal is, but I don't know what the pedal is. This will be the first time me seeing it just as well as you guys. But I gotta say that if I like the way this pedal sounds, I will be incorporating it into my Behringer board, and my kid will be getting my Behringer. So let's open this thing up. There's a love letter in here too. So what this is a fab metal pedal, and yeah, I might be using this myself. Like I said, if I like the way it sounds, this is pretty cool. And it looks like from the last time he used it, it's still set for the level, tone, and gain. So now I know your secret. This is pretty cool. And it will be used. So there's a love letter in here. Let's see. Oh, there's some pickups, or picks inside here. I don't know why I said pickups. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. It's got a little bit of a grip on it too. Oh, that's nice. A little bit flexible, but on the thick side. I like that. It's like it's got harder plastic here and a little bit more flexible here. And then there is a Dunlop. He knows I like thick picks, and yeah, so thank you very much. These will be used. Let's see here. Letter says, Eric C., this is Weedy. I really appreciate what you have done for me. Enclosed is a thank you. It's not much, but you will enjoy this pedal, and I sent you a thicker pick because you said you didn't like the thin. Yeah. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart, and it has his name. It tells me to rock on, brother. Then it says included is my favorite type of picks. Oh, cool. Yeah, I was kind of wondering what pick that you use, especially for when you're kind of like, you know, really going at it on the string. And the way this one looks right here, just the way it's got the sharp point on there, I'm wondering if that's what he exactly uses. This has got a nice grip on it too. Not bad at all. So yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Sometimes I don't know how to act when somebody sends me something, and sometimes I feel a little bit uncomfortable. I'm not used to it unless I ordered it myself. But I appreciate this very, very much. Thank you. Everybody, you know, thanks a lot for everything that you guys have done to help my channel as far as subscribers go, views goes, comments go. It's always been great to hear from you guys and to read your comments. Like I said, any questions, if I can physically, if I know the answer to the question, then I can help you out. If I don't know the answer to the question, maybe I can find somebody else that can help you out. But yeah, I really appreciate this. This is pretty cool. Again, thanks everybody for everything. You guys have been great, and yeah, I will incorporate if I like the way this thing sounds as far as for myself goes, you know, and with his little secret of what he had it set to, it's still set that way. Yeah, I might be using it myself. So the Jackson is done. I ended up ordering a Boss Katana amp for her, and It's got like a 12-inch speaker. It's supposed to be like a modeling amplifier too. I got the guitar strap that she was looking for with the flames on it, and yeah, so everything is basically set up with that. I'm just waiting for the amp. I will be doing a little bit of playing around with this myself, and yeah. So thanks again, guys. Take it easy. Have a good one. Rock on, Weedy. Rock on, Gypsy Blues. Rock on, Lance Moss TV and friends. Yeah. Thanks a lot, everybody. Take care.